Hey everyone, today I'm going to take a look at some new winter gear that I picked up. This actually came as a set. It was a hat, a neck gaiter, and gloves. It's by a company called Maylisacc, and I picked this up from Amazon. So stay tuned and we'll take a look at it. Welcome back everyone. So this is a new winter hat, gloves, and neck warmer or neck gaiter that I picked up from Amazon. It's by this company, Maylisacc. It's obviously from China. It says right there, made in China, right there. But it had pretty good reviews on Amazon. So this is the packing it comes in. I'm just gonna open this up. So from what I read online, none of this is wool. It's all some kind of polyester blend. So this is what comes in the bag. You have the hat, which is a kind of knitted pattern on the outside, and then it's all kind of fleece lined on the inside. It feels super nice, actually, very soft and warm, and it does have a label on it. It says, "All match, the pioneer of fashion trends." So, I mean, even though it says all match, like that's the name of the brand, this is actually the company name. So it's one of those strange Chinese companies, I guess. But yeah, that's the hat. And then it comes with the matching neck warmer. Also, same thing, it's kind of knitted with this kind of pattern. Actually, it's different from what's on the hat. So these are the patterns on the hat. It's kind of got this arrow thing and then the same kind of arrow stuff on the top, whereas this has that kind of design on it, and the inside again is all this this fleece thing. It doesn't feel overly thick, but I'm guessing with all this fleece stuff it could be warm. Plus it is fairly long, so I'm guessing it's gonna kind of bunch over itself. And these are the gloves. Now there were other sellers, in fact the same company, which were selling just the hat and the neck gaiter and not the gloves. I decided to get the gloves as well. They look good, and they have this kind of rubber grippy stuff on it. Now it looks like the gloves actually have a different name on it. It says "I Winter" on it, so not really sure. But so there's only one size. This fits me okay. Could have been a little smaller, but it's fine. And apparently it works fine with using it like with a cell phone or something. Yeah, that rubber stuff does actually form a pretty good grip on it. These are definitely going to be warm enough. Oh, here it says "I Winter" on this side too. So let me put this on and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright everyone, this is me wearing the new winter gear I picked up. You can see that well. It's actually like really warm, the neck gaiter, even though I thought it was going to be thin. It is super warm. Of course I'm indoors right now, but I'm going to go out for a walk and see how it is. I actually, the cap, because it was kind of big, I just folded it up, and in doing so, I kind of covered up that the tag it came with, which is fine. I don't really mind. The cap feels really warm too. You can obviously pull this over. It almost feels like a scarf. And these are the gloves. I just tried them out on my phone. I'm not sure. It wasn't super responsive, um, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to test that out a little more. But it is definitely warm, and I'm really happy with this. Now I gotta say something. I just took this out of the bag, like I just received it today. It has a pretty funky smell to it. It's not horribly bad, but it definitely smells like the plastic bag that it came in. So I'm definitely gonna give this a wash. It's not overly bad though, but I'll definitely give it a wash. From what I read on the Amazon site, you can just wash this like regularly. It's not going to shrink or anything because it's not wool. Yeah, it's definitely warm. I'm pretty happy with this purchase. I like the fact that I could roll this up, um, that this fleece part wasn't just a band, but it actually runs through the whole hat. So as much as you fold it up to make it even smaller, like the fleece line is still going to be there. It definitely keeps your ears warm, and you can pull this up all over above your mouth and your nose. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Thanks for watching, everyone.